The Polk Audio SurroundBar 3000 no sound issue commonly arises from TV setting misconfigurations, faulty optical inputs, or software glitches. This video provides a step-by-step guide to diagnose and resolve these problems, ensuring your soundbar delivers optimal audio. We will cover TV settings, optical input checks, and reset procedures. As of January 2026, this soundbar is still supported with firmware updates. First, ensure your TV is sending audio to the soundbar. Navigate to your TV's settings menu, usually under Sound or Audio. Select the SurroundBar 3000 as the audio output device via HDMI ARC or Bluetooth. Disable the TV's internal speakers to prevent sound bypassing the soundbar. For HDMI, use an HDMI 2.0 or higher cable that supports ARC. If using an optical cable, first verify it's securely connected to both the TV and soundbar. Inspect the cable for bends or damage that could cause signal loss. Select the optical input using the soundbar's remote by pressing the input button. Note that optical audio may have compatibility issues, especially with TVs lacking ARC. Test with a known good optical cable to rule out physical faults. Clean the cable connections to ensure proper contact. A soft reset can resolve temporary software glitches without erasing your settings. Unplug the SurroundBar 3000 from the power outlet. Wait 30 seconds to clear temporary bugs. Then plug it back in. After the reset, recheck the audio output and input settings to ensure proper connection. If a soft reset doesn't resolve the no sound issue, perform a factory reset as a last resort. This erases all custom settings and reverts the soundbar to its original default configuration, clearing any persistent software glitches. To execute the factory reset, locate the volume down and input buttons on the soundbar. Hold both the volume down and input buttons simultaneously for exactly 5 seconds. Release the buttons after 5 seconds. The soundbar will reboot to factory defaults. Remember, this is only a last resort option. Outdated firmware can cause sound issues on your Polk SurroundBar 3000. Use the Polk app to check for and install the latest firmware updates. Firmware version 2.1.4, released in October 2025, addresses HDMI ARC handshake problems, a common cause of no sound. The update process may take a few minutes. Regular updates ensure optimal performance and compatibility. The Polk Connect app, introduced in 2024, features AI-assisted diagnostics to remotely detect input issues with your SurroundBar 3000. Open the app on your phone to access the diagnostic tools. Use the AI diagnostics to check the soundbar's input status. The app can identify potential problems with your setup, such as connection issues. This simplifies the troubleshooting process by pinpointing issues remotely. If the previous troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the no sound issue, the problem may require professional service. The Polk SurroundBar 3000 comes with a 3-year warranty that covers manufacturing defects. Contact Polk support at support@polkaudio.com for assistance. You can also consult a professional audio technician for further diagnosis. Remember to keep your purchase receipt handy for any warranty claims. This completes our guide to fixing the Polk Audio SurroundBar 3000 no sound problem.